well, I mean, that's their job. No, he didn't want to boost it. He had a problem with another shop. Round. High ones. Yeah.
Oh, because you have to pry it loose still, huh?
Yeah, it ain't never been out before, so it's stuck.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see. It's stuck on the pins. Sorry, try to separate it a little bit right there. And then they always put this stupid cross member right here in their way, so it's always a pain in the ass.
Luckily, we don't need any bolts for the slave upgrade.
Nope. We do not need any.
This one doesn't look that bad, I guess.
Yeah. They never look bad until they fail.
True.
Bad thing is I got them damn wooden blocks right in the way. That's now we can get this piece in.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, your car would look good if blue TE's on it.
I wanted to borrow your damn buddies, those BS&Ms, or is it BS? Those ones with the Mustang drag pack.
The one that I put on my car?
Yeah, the ones you put on your car.
He'll let you borrow. He'll let you use them.
Yeah.
It kind of looks like a torque converter. I don't look that good.
No, shit, that's a lot. That's actually, look, this clutch setup is in better shape than that clutch setup.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, see how much material's left on this?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And why is it slipping?
And see.
Yeah. Okay.
See that dowel pin right there?
Yeah.
That's. See that little hole right there?
Where?
Right there.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
That's where it's supposed to go. What I did is I crushed mine. I didn't line that pin back up. And sensor here. And it readings off this ring right here. Okay, it's just time to space out properly, and basically mine was not picking up correctly, and it wouldn't send fire to my coils, and I learned the hard way and had to pull it all back apart. So,
Number one. Don't mess up. Don't mess up.
I'm not gonna mess up. All right. motherfucker. It doesn't matter, you can let go now, I got it. I just needed it to line up. We will. Maybe you better watch out.
Alright, day 2. Sorry for no uploads on many pulls. It's been raining, as you can see, so after driving the clutch for a while, we're about 155 miles on it so far. It's been really good so far, definitely better than OEM. Surprisingly, my OEM one was in really good shape, but I did do my best to take care of it, and the slave cylinder, so thankfully the slave cylinder never went out on me. That was my biggest fear, was having this OEM slave cylinder go out. So, but other than that, just been taking really good care of the car now. Obviously, all the maintenance is out of the way, so I appreciate your patience for the past year, guys. I know the uploads haven't been the best, so I'm trying to get back into the routine of uploading. It's just harder now because everything's more expensive. So just be patient, but I'll definitely try to give you guys some content that you want, some races, and then I want to take this Z to the track, see how it does. I definitely appreciate your support, and hopefully you guys just enjoy the journey. There's nothing else left I have to get for the car now. Everything else that we're going to be getting will just be fun stuff for it. So finally going to be able to enjoy this car, and hopefully she holds up really well, and we'll finally see how fast she is. I don't think she's as fast as my automatic was when it was naturally aspirated, but we'll see. So see you guys later.
So where did he run the nitrous lines that you're lying to everybody?
Underneath.
I like how you put it your red. Same person.
Get you ugly. What you wanna do here? Bitch, I'm a full like real bit.
Don't they make on that?